Hello, what's going on everyone? In this video, in this such a beautiful night, I'm going to give you the answer for this question about I know why the cage bird sings. And here is a question: whose best-selling memoir was titled "I Know Why the Cage Bird Sings"? Well, now I'll give you a list of the option, and here is a list of the option. The very first option is Frank McCart. Second option is Maya Angelou. The third option is Nelson Mandela, and the very last option Michelle Obama. Now I'll give you the correct answer for the question. And the correct answer for the question is Maya Angelou, and here is the reason why Maya Angelou is the correct one. Maya Angelou is a brilliant author of I Know Why the Cage Bird Sings, landmark 1969 best-selling autobiography that received global acclaim for its poetic and honest expression of racism, trauma, and identity during her upbringing in the American South. The option featuring Frank McCourt is incorrect because the Irish American author is famous for writing Angela's Ashes, a completely different Pulitzer Prize winning 1996 memoir detailing his improvised childhood in Limerick, Ireland. Nelson Mandela is a wrong choice as the legendary South African anti-apartheid revolutionary penned his own academic autobiography under the title Long Walk to Freedom in 1994. So that is correct answer of the question. Maya Angelou, that's the correct one.
Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Please this subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you find this video is not really good, or you don't really like this video, or you kind of feel that it's a little bit offensive or something like that, you can click this one, dislike button. You can do that anyway. And if you want to share this video with your friend, you can share it by clicking this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish that is currently available at this time, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many others, right? And if you want to add this video to your playlist, you can click this one. You can watch this video later, and you can find more options by clicking these three dots. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. See you again.